Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add photos and images to your pages and databases on Notion without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. So if you're curious and would like to learn more, make sure you follow along. And now let us get started. Head over to your Notion workspace. And what you want to do, guys, is, for example, add an image or photo to a page or to a database. So in the first step, or in the first option, let us try to upload an image to a page. Simply head over to the given page. So let me go with that completely new page here. And what you want to do after that is simply left click here below the page where we'd like to add a photo or upload it, and give the command /image just like that, and select the suggestion below here, image, just like that. And after that, simply decide whether you'd like to embed an image linked from an external site, or use one from the Notion Giphy or Unsplash library, or simply upload one from your device. To do that, click on Upload File here, and after that, locate the file on your device, add it, wait for the upload process to be finished. After a brief moment, you see the given photo or image will be added to your page. Now you can customize it, of course, adjust its size and position, and add comments, captions, and so on and so forth. So that's the first option, guys. The second option would be to add images and photos to your database's property. To do that, simply head over to your database. So let me go, for example, with that one here, with that completely new database I created for demonstration purposes. And let's say you have a table like this. So all you will need to do is add a new property to your table and select the option Files and Media here. And after that, you'll be given the opportunity to simply upload files here by left clicking on the cell below and by using the method I mentioned before. So you can either embed an external image or photo, or you can, for example, upload them from your device by clicking on Choose a File here, by locating the file or the image on your device, and by uploading it to your database. As you can see, after a brief moment, it will appear here in that cell of that table. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.